First, open your Gmail application. Second, click the There outline button in the left corner of the screen.
Third, click Setting, then select Add Account. Then, click Google, wait for the Gmail sign up sheet to open.
After that, choose Create Account. If for yourself, click Menu for yourself. If to manage a business, click Menu for business. We are choose for yourself. After that, type your first and last name, then click Next.
Fill in the date, month, and year of birth and your gender, then click Next. Choose your Gmail address or create your own Gmail address, then click Next.
Make a password according to what you want, then enter your mobile number if there is one. After that, review your account info, then click Yes Agree, and wait for the process.